Before spring hits and machines are running every day, now is the time that matters most. At Berry Tractor, we see it every year. The machines that run the strongest in the spring are the ones that were prepared before the rush. The first step is simple, but it's critical. You need to understand the true condition of your machine before the hours stack up. That's where the PM Clinic comes in, especially on excavators. A Komatsu PM Clinic is a structured inspection designed to proactively check and maintain your machines, and can be done right here at Berry Tractor. Another thing to consider is scheduling an undercarriage inspection. Beyond that, we often get calls from people asking what else they need to check. You might want to check out your work equipment, your pins and bushings. Check out your ground engagement tools such as bucket teeth and cutting edges. Make sure you're up to date on your 500 and 1,000 hour service intervals. It might be slow now. When the season really gets moving, instead of guessing if your machine is healthy, you'll know for sure and it'll be ready to go to work. Once you know the condition of your machine, the next step is turning that information into a plan. This is where preparation replaces reaction. We can help you decide what can wait, what can be monitored, and what needs attention now so it doesn't negatively affect your uptime. This kind of preparation isn't guesswork. It's data-driven, proven, and intentional. This is how you stay ahead of problems instead of chasing them. When spring arrives, the goal is simple. You want to run with confidence. Machines that are reviewed and prepared properly don't just start the season productive, they stay productive throughout the season. This isn't about doing more. This is about doing the right thing for your equipment before the season demands everything from it. That's how we help you stay ready.